catching fish pretty doggone good out here today, and you know, one of the keys to catching them today is being able to get out here in good shape with everything. Make sure everything's protected on the way out, because it was a rough ride this morning and we're the only boat out here. There's not a lot of guys out here fishing in this, and it was way rougher this morning than it is now. And man, one of the hardest things I think there is getting to where you're going in one piece. I used to always feel that way tournament fishing too. When I was fishing professional walleye trail, it always seemed like if you could get where you were going in one piece, get your equipment in the water and get it working right, you could catch fish. And that's half the battle when you're fishing big water, and I spend a lot of time on big water. A couple of things I rely on that make a big difference. Number one, my Humminbird electronics, they're getting bigger and bigger every single year. I mean, I'm running a big Helix 12 here, and I need it to be on a mount system that can hold it while I'm pounding through waves. And I'm using the AP10 multi-mount. Here's what's great about that multi-mount. It's 10 inches long. It's got a full range of movement. I can move that graph wherever I want to move it. I can make it so if I'm standing in the back of the boat and I want to change the angle, I can see it. The other thing is it's not a rubberized ball system. What it is it's all aluminum. That aluminum system never crushes. So this mount is going to last forever. Heat doesn't bother it. It's durable. It looks good. It's made out of all aluminum. It's an awesome product. That's the number one thing. Number two is up on the front end of my boat, I use a trolling motor stabilizer system. And this thing's really cool because once you put it in, you can use it right along with your track system in your boat, your rail mount system, whatever it may be. Once you put it in, it's so easy to get that trolling motor shaft in and out. You just pull a rubber tab back and the trolling motor shaft comes out. But when I'm banging across these waves coming out here, that trolling motor is stable the whole way. So more or less what I've done is take care of all of my electronics. I took care of my trolling motor all the way out with that simple trolling motor stabilizer, and I took care of my sonar units, which I'm gonna need both of all day long. I'm telling you, my whole boat is rigged with products from this company. CMP Group owns them, and they're making products that work for the fishermen. And day in and day out, they work for me, they will you too.